So greetings, my friend. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Matt Schifferly with another video to help you be fit and live free. And today we're answering the question, is a notepad or a workout journal really all that necessary for you to make progress? Or are you just completely screwed if you never keep a workout log? Because I get it. Keeping a workout log is kind of a time-consuming, albeit also tedious process. You fill it in little boxes. Nobody likes doing paperwork in the middle of a workout, and yet you'll never see a professional coach that knows what they're doing without some sort of a workout log or tracking system. And if you ever do, that's usually a red flag that they don't know what they're doing. That's why I've long championed that yes, you do want a workout log. In fact, I created my own style of workout log called the Adaptive Training Journal. So you don't have to be filling out little boxes and endless paperwork every time you're working out. It's simple, it's adaptable, it gives you structure, yet flexibility so that you can adapt your workouts on a case-by-case basis. And I wrote a whole ebook on how that works. It's really quick and easy to pick up. Link is down below if you're interested in learning more. And it's the workout style log that I use for all of my clients. But nevertheless, the question is, are you absolutely screwed if you never keep a workout log? And the answer to that is no, because it's not actually the log that helps you make progress and gets results. It's two key variables that, yes, you do have to have these two things, and they're quite easy to attain. The first of which is assessment. You have to just basically pay attention to what you've been doing and look at it with an assessment eye saying, okay, how am I doing my pull-ups? How am I doing my push-ups? What am I doing on a technical level to gain the full experience of it, which sadly a lot of people don't. They're just kind of going through the motions, doing the work to check it off their to-do list, and they're completely forgetting about it the second they leave the gym. And then from that assessment and analysis, you want to then just simply make future plans. What are you going to do in your next workout? What are you hoping to remember or implement in the next several workouts or the next month? What are you going to try to do, in other words, to move forward? Because as I always say, training is trying. It only works if you're trying to do something better. You don't get results by putting in the work. You don't get results with blood, sweat, and tears. That's just running around in circles. You want to have some sort of dedicated, disciplined direction that you're putting your effort into. And you're not going to have that very much if you're not assessing and planning for future workouts. And so do you need a workout log in order to have assessment and planning? No, not at all. People have assessment and planning all the time without keeping a workout log. Also, at the same time, people keep a workout log and don't have any assessment and planning. They're just mindlessly filling in the boxes. They're not thinking about what they're doing. They're not thinking about what they're writing down. They're not utilizing that data to think, okay, how can I improve things? So no, there's nothing that's going to magically be better by keeping a workout log. But it does often make it a lot easier to assess and plan when you are keeping a log. And it doesn't have to be a particular format. It doesn't have to be anything that's super structured like spreadsheets and stuff. My adaptive log is just a single sheet of paper, writing stuff down on a whiteboard and stuff. But you do want to make sure that assessment and planning is in place. And if you find it's a lot easier to make that happen by keeping some sort of a journal, then yes, you definitely want to be doing that. But if you find it's not necessary or you're even better off without it, then don't worry too much about it. Again, the link to my ebook on the adaptive training log and how to work it and make it work for you is down below in the description. It's a very quick, simple ebook to read through. Likes, shares, all that sort of thing are greatly appreciated. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here, and best of luck in your workouts this week. Be fit and live free.